Let's take a look at the problem where we're asked to figure out the order of the reaction with respect to A, okay? And the question is basically you have a reaction, hypothetical reaction, A plus B gives us C. And it says if I double the concentration of A and hold B constant, the rate doubles. So there's some information given to us. So first of all, before you even go forth with trying to figure this out, let's try to write the rate law for this reaction, okay? So the rate law would be rate is equal to the rate constant times the concentration of A, the reactant, raised to a particular order, let's call that X, times the concentration of B raised to another order, Y. Okay, remember these are experimentally determined quantities, so we're just going to call them X and Y because we don't know them. Now, we do have to determine what is X because that's what the question is asking us for. So, one piece of information is given to us that if you double the concentration of A and hold B constant. So, to double the concentration of A, before we do that, let's reduce this expression, rate, and call that R. Rate is R, okay? So, if I double the concentration of A and hold B constant, the rate doubles. So, therefore, if I do that, my rate becomes 2R. Concentration of A doubles, so that becomes 2A raised to X, and B is constant. So that's what the new scenario becomes, okay? So now let's go ahead and simplify this term in the bracket. So if I pull that 2 out, it would be 2 raised to the X times the concentration of A raised to the X times B raised to the Y, okay? I'll bring the 2R down here as well, and then I'll take this equation out here and I'm going to put that down here and divide it. So basically I'm dividing what I got out here after doubling the concentration of A by the initial rate law when the concentration was not doubled. And the whole reason for doing this is simply I'm trying to manipulate this algebraically so I can cancel out common terms to solve for X, okay? And as you can see, when I do that, let's use a different color out here. The A to the X goes away, the B to the Y goes away, the K goes away, and the R goes away. Okay? So when you do that, now I have left 2 is equal to 2 to the X. So 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 to the power X. So X is equal to 1. And that is the order with respect to the reactant A. And that's what the question wants us to do.